Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook dating, set up your profile and start finding matches. This is a full updated guide. If you've been scrolling through Facebook and noticed the heart icon or had friends talk about Facebook dating, this video will walk you through everything you need to know step by step to get started and make the most out of the feature. Facebook dating is a free feature built right inside the Facebook app, designed to help you connect with the people who share similar interests, events, and communities. Unlike Tinder or Bumble, it's integrated into your existing Facebook profile but operates separately, meaning your dating activity isn't visible to your friends. To access it, open the Facebook app, tap on the menu, which is these three lines, and just scroll until you find the dating option. If you don't see it, update your app to the latest version or ensure it's available in your region. Once inside, it's time to set up your dating profile. Facebook automatically suggests photos and basic info from your existing profile, but you can customize it however you want. Add up to 12 pictures, write a short bio, and fill in details like your interests, education, job, and what kind of relationships you are looking for. You can also answer fun prompts like the one thing I will never do again or the perfect first date is. This make your profile more engaging and help others start conversations easily. After setting up your profile, Facebook uses its algorithm to recommend potential matches based on your shared interests, mutual friends, and preferences you set, such as age range and location. You can like or comment on a person's profile to show interest. If they like you back, it's a match, and you can start chatting directly with Facebook dating, not Messenger. There's also a feature called Secret Crush, where you can add up to 9 Facebook friends or Instagram followers you are interested in. If they also add you to their crush list, you'll both be notified of the match. Now, this is a pro tip for this. Keep your profile genuine. Natural photos and honest bios tends to attract better matches. Also, adjust your location settings to meet people near you, especially if you have recently traveled or moved. If you ever feel uncomfortable, you can block or report users right from the chat section. Ensuring your safety is always a priority. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.